Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make an orchid mount. I had so much fun making the staghorn fern that I had to try it with an orchid. As for supplies, I will link everything down below in the description box. First, prep your sphagnum moss in water just to maintain the long fibers and make it easier to work with. Some brands may come with a lot of sticks and twigs that you don't want. Just gently remove it from your moss. My orchid didn't come with a planter pot inside, so I had a little bit of a rough time removing it, but just gently wiggle it, it should do the trick. Play around with the plant to see how you would like it facing and how you would like the placement. Once you decided where you want the plant to be, you can start adding your finishing nails. Because this plant grows upwards, unlike the staghorn fern, I did a U-shaped formation when nailing. Once you're done nailing, you'll add a layer of sphagnum moss to the cork bark. Tightly anchor the fishing point to one nail, and you're going to wrap back and forth between different nails just to strap down the first layer of sphagnum moss. Once you're ready, you're going to add your orchid to the cork bark. carefully cover the entire root ball with moss. Now you're going to wrap back and forth between different nails to start securing down the sphagnum moss. I had a hard time wrapping this one compared to the staghorn fern for some reason, but it does take a little bit of time in the beginning, and once you've got that foundation set, it's easier to wrap. Once you feel that your mount is finished and everything is secured, you're going to tie a tight knot around one of the nails. I actually melt the ends of my fishing line just to create a little stopper. Be careful not to burn down your plant like I almost did. Once you're happy with your plant's position, you can insert your screw eyes into the top of the cork bark. Ta-da! And that's it. This is how I made my DIY orchid mount. So I hang my mounts in the shower. I got these suction cups off of AliExpress. I will link it in the description box below, but they're super tight. It creates a suction once you twist the little mechanism here. These are the two mounts that I have in my shower. I hope this project has given you some inspiration. Thanks for watching, and please leave me a comment in the comment box below if you have any questions or what you would like to see